need a basket for you.
Oh, thank you. This is gorgeous. So I'm gonna get that. I don't know. Oh, look over there. And okay, so this owned by Plaid.
Okay, full cut.
So I got this. What do they got? Glitterific. That's Glitterific, but it's another one. Glitter, Extreme Glitter. They own this too. They own Color Shift. What is Extreme Glitter at? Glitterific. Glitterific. You see Extreme? What is favorite color? This is my favorite color and my favorite color, which I'm pretty sure I got a whole bunch of them already. It's like, it's so nice when you put it. Yeah, I'm gonna get this one.
That's so nice.
Mm-hmm.
Expensive.
No, I think it's like a couple of dollars. I think.
Yeah, we'll see. A couple of dollars.
Look, this
Glitterific? Just Glitterific?
Glitterific, but I
Not
want
the
to.
pump one? Oh.
Oh, this no. When this came?
Cute.
When they got this?
They got like big sparkles. Is that the difference?
This is really cute. It's so many. What? When they bought this out? Wait,
How you
show the
spell
product right there. I'm saying my friend. Here.
Hi, baby.
Yeah, that's gonna be. Wait, do it one more. Hold it one more time.